Hello friends, Tony here, welcome. In today's video, I'm going to work with another model. I'm going to use Ollama for this, and I'm going to work with this GLM 5.1, which is a new release. And we're going to see if this is very good with Laravel. Now, things to keep in mind is this model has the context maximum of 198, almost 200k. So not a big deal, but yeah. Here we can see the coding performance. So GPT 4.5, Cloud Opus, and then comes this GLM. We're going to see. For that, I want to install a Laravel fresh project. We're going to see Laravel 13, and then I'm going to use the open code. Also, we can work with cloud code, we can say. And yeah, I had a comment on YouTube how I work with the Ollama and open code, and you can just download the model or you can use the cloud model if you want. But as I told you in the previous video, with the cloud, yeah, if you work hard, you can reach the limits. But if you download the model, just say Ollama launch open code -- model and choose the model you want. So for example, GLM 5.1, or if you work with the Gemma 4, and if you have downloaded the Gemma, in my case, I have downloaded this 26 billion. Okay, so I can say Ollama launch open code -- model and copy this Gemma and paste it right here. You need to have the open code installed, okay? Now let's work with this new one, which is the GLM 5.1. And right now is only the cloud version, so we don't have a model to download. I think after 1 or 2 weeks is coming also the download version, but for now let's use this cloud one. And first let's create the Laravel project. So let's say Laravel new, and I'm going to say Ollama here. Let's choose Livewire, and in this video what I'm going to do is I'm going to ask this GLM. I have prepared a prompt, and here is the prompt. You are an expert Laravel developer. Your task is to install and fully configure the Spatie Laravel Permission package in an existing Laravel application. Follow the steps, install the package, publish and run migrations, configure the user model, and so on. And this prompt is generated by the AI. Let's see. I'm going to run the npm install. Also, let's just show you the full prompt, so you can pause the video and see the prompt. Now, which I'm going to choose cloud code and the open code only. Hit enter. And then we need to cd the Ollama. Okay, let's open with the VS Code just to see what this is going to build. And next, I'm going to launch the open code with the Ollama. So Ollama launch open code, and in this case we're going to work with this GLM 5.1 cloud. So Ollama launch open code -- model, and we're going to work with this GLM. For the first time it's going to say proceed, yes, and a new release, I'm going to say confirm. Okay, so you can see now we have the model GLM 5.1 cloud. And I'm going to copy the prompt and paste it. And we're going to see what this is going to do. Hit enter. Okay, so I should activate the Laravel best practices and brainstorming, skill Laravel best practices, because we use open code. For that, it's going to activate the skills. Okay, friends, so we are back. It's not finished yet because we have hit the limits, as you can see, only by this prompt. If you use a free version on the cloud, yeah, 100% used. And it's going to reset after 2 hours. But let's see what this has. I think everything is completed except the pest test and the bind. Okay, so now I'm going to see what the model has been built. First, let's go to models, user model, and yeah, of course, has added this has roles. Spatie Permission treats roles. Good. Anything else? No. Now let's go to HTTP admin controller. We have this dashboard returning the view admin dashboard, and then users, this authorize manage users. If we go to resources, views, we have admin, dashboard, and users. So I've created 2 views. Let's go to routes, web, and we have middleware role admin. So it's protected by the role admin, and we have the route to get admin dashboard, admin controller class, dashboard, and also admin users here. Also added a name. Good. Let's go and see the database. Migrations, permissions. Good. Let's see the seeders, roles, and permissions. Okay. If we see here, what we have said is the install, publish an error migration, configure the user model, then configure the out guard. Okay. See the roles. Yeah. Let's go also bootstrap app, and we have middleware alias for role, permission, role or permission. Okay, good. Next, example usage, show how to assign a role to user, and then create a sample controller, admin controller, blade example, and testing. Let's open now this project here. So I'm going to say olama.test. Let's register, create the account, and we have the dashboard. But if I go to /admin/dashboard, and we have user does not have the right roles, and here we say if we have a user, because if the database we created the test user. So let me just come here and run php artisan migrate fresh -- seed. Okay, let's go refresh. I'm going to go to login, use this test example, use the password, and we are logged in. But now if I go to /admin/dashboard, yeah, you have admin access, you can manage users, and we have here a link to go to. You can edit posts and you can view content. We can go now to admin users, but we have an error, so the authorize method here. If we go to app HTTP controller, we have this authorize. We can change that to gate, eliminate support facade, gate authorize. Let's save, come here, refresh, and now user management, you have permission to manage users. Okay, I think has done a good job, but for now is only on the cloud, so you need to work either with Olama Cloud or with the Open Router if you don't, but also in the Open Router this is going to cost you. But yeah, that's it all about this video. What I wanted to show you an example how you can use this model, the GLM 5.1, and how good is this, at least with Laravel project. And if you like such a videos, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like the video, share with your friends, and I'm going to see you in another video. All the best. Thank you very much.